I hear you. You can see a nice frame, a solid wooden frame. It's just a broken piece, but it's going to be a nice canvas. Let's draw a nice scenery. And here you can see I'm going to draw a tree, which is a little bit taller. Okay. In the bottom, just putting some grasses. Awesome. Okay. On the top, just adding some water and doing the details of the trees. You can see in a black canvas, just having some shades. Okay. All right. Okay, so in the bottom you can see a nice visualization, graphical presentations of the grasses. Okay, and in a rural environment you can just draw a fence around here. Okay, like this. So put some vertical lines for the fence. Okay, and a hashtags at the bottom of the tree. Just you can see the outlines to the bottom. Okay. Putting few outlines with the brushes. Okay. And here you can just put few birds flying like a alphabet V shape. You can see. All right, just flying in a row. Okay. So that's going to be a very basic scenery. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.